forget.
No, if I not fit my face.
No, you go fit your face. You go fit your
face.
Yes.
They can look for this baby. I not see you.
That's so
it
be. Not get with you. I not use.
No, na so it be. Na so it be. When you find something like that, and you go platter. If now you don't platter.
Don't platter,
right?
But I also they feel say people when they keep beers, they need to keep low cut for the beers to reflect. With the kind of head where I carry,
don't have to.
I not fit carry screenshots.
It gets some people say they get plenty hair. Maybe they did too.
Yeah.
You know that maybe they did too. And what to make me start keep beer?
Yeah.
If I shave this beer, you go to secondary school.
Yeah, with your small round face.
I go show you picture of this young man.
That's that other party. You don't get beer.
I don't get beer. That time you see me like put it inside small picture like
yeah.
You know, I'm not just come out.
It's true. We get Google. They remind. I don't know. Say we get many memory. You know, say how many years ago? Google go don't remind you 8 years ago. You go see the
now
without
Facebook. Now Facebook I dislike for that thing. You get one of my throwback picture when Facebook remind me of recently. Bros, I see the picture. They ask myself, I take get girlfriend that time. I be want to do apology video. Yes, I be want to do apology video. Say please, if you dated me that time, I'm sorry. I don't know what you see in me. You can even me. I cannot see anything on your behalf. I cannot see
by that year, you felt you were hot now. That year.
Yeah, and guess what? That's why they change woman normally. I did one room. Bro, if you see me, I dey wear Goliath shoe that time. I get one shoe where they say, not be even shoe na sandals. The china.
Moses.
They reach here. The shoe where Moses take crossing.
Egyptian shoe.
Yes, I wear short dick on top. I wear polo. I say,
good to feel yourself.
I feel myself. So as I said, I said, how this girl still
now your swag now. That time you don't say when you own
no swag there.
Hold on.
That thing.
When you own your owner. Listen, you they bounce. You see a person not fine, man not fine.
Not they encourage nonsense.
No, they tell you. Person go look and say, this guy. But there's something, Sha. There's something about this guy.
No. They get some throwback when Facebook not supposed to remind me of. Like they invest me something.
Funny enough, I dey imagine waiting that throwback will actually look like, because if I show you
3 years ago,
3 years picture on my phone. If I show you,
why waiting?
You go there ask, say waiting. You know the seafood shop.
No, but R&B no answer. But waiting, why you don't naturally thin? R&B is naturally slim. No, it's naturally thin.
One of my problems when I face.
Nothing you mentioned, don't be slim.
What's the difference? No, wait. What's the difference between thin and slim? What's the difference?
No, they prefer slim to thin.
Yes.
They say they feel that thin is more degrading. Slim is still okay.
This is when they ask people, they explain themselves.
For you, be like say difference lady and woman, it's all the same thing.
And they can once if I see the picture.
Oh my God!
So I say I pity for myself. If now me be gay, I not go date myself. I not try. I not go pull leg for me.
So that question, will you date you? You will be a capital no.
I will big no.
Will you date you?
But we thank God for growth, Sha. You get because every single year,
I swear progress.
We actually grow. Now some of us never observe them.
Yeah.
And in fact, thanks to Facebook, because once Facebook do you throw back some of all these your old pictures when you post on Facebook that year, you realize that there has been a big difference, a big gap when it comes to growth.
Instagram not remind you now. What's the Facebook? Why? Why is it that those kind of pictures?
They remind you of your past.
Google remind you.
And then they're selective.
No, they tell me they thankful. They say if you don't want to thank God by fire by force, you go.
Come and look at you 2009. You go remind you so I mean you adjust yourself. Anyway,
see this one.
Okay.
Yes.
You be like
yes, Dana. Yes.
No, that picture resemble Boko Haram when they rehabilitate. Wait.
Oh my God.
That's what they do without beard.
You dey stress yourself. Make I go to your 3 years ago.
Without beard.
How long it take you to grow this beard now?
That's the thing. I don't even know. Like it's like 1 year.
They just come
I
outside.
struggle for 1 year.
You don't drop anything, put.
I don't drop anything. I don't even rub anything for my baby. 1 year, I just leave her each. I just leave her. Then he come begin.
Just start to do.
Just start.
My brother not go with never rub. I don't even go Lagos Island. I buy one black thing when one man they sell. So one guy say if I go Lagos Island, where they say that Balogun market side, say I go see where they buy. Now maybe that 3 years ago.
Just 3 years ago.
So imagine me 10 years ago, 7 years ago.
Be like egg.
I will tell you.
Just 3 years ago. 3 years ago. So I can imagine.
Imagine me 9 years, 20.
Yes. That is of 2020.
Now I be like this.
I be like oh yeah, now.
Stop that.
Show the camera.
Show the camera. Let them see her. Yes. See, Baba.
Wait, I dey try look for like 10 years ago. When I understand what I talk about.
10 years ago, we can find 3.
No, 10 years ago we be crazy.
10 years ago, you dey find trouble and
we be crazy. But me, I don't really change you.
No, I think you the young put.
Yeah, me, I don't really change.
Especially women when they take care of themselves. I think the more that they young put. I swear. You know they clearly they show. Where is my picture?
You see they find them.
I they look for now down. They hardly really use Facebook. I know they go down. Now down in history. Now history it be.
God. I try look for my own too.
But the thing is, I see fish say what they contribute to the reason why they be like this. They do and now because the camera phone when they use that time too.
Yeah.
I think the camera never they. You know they this.
Not fine. Person went fine. The camera be like a beaver's machine. It just be fine. Leave her.
I want to look for excuse though.
This is 2018.
Oh, you still look the same.
You be baby here now.
No, you still look the same.
I tell you. See, I'm 2018.
Oh, this is nice.
So I don't know.
I the same thing, Katin.
I define different. I'm trying to see whether I go see
you still look
picture when different.
So I think with this, I feel arrive say women know they actually they look your money actually sometime.
See,
I think now your doings.
The truth is, women are very funny. We men can never understand them. Even them don't understand themselves. They don't know that woman not gonna know what she did trip for until she see that thing which she did trip.
You know,
for.
say now why maybe after you don't date somebody finish.
You can't ask
At
that point, if you be saying how you dey smile, if you be saying your courage, if you be saying nothing, now woman go tell say no, it's singlet, they clean well.
Oh, the way they smell,
the way they smell, my God, they're not they wear. True. Then later you can't find out. Now later when you don't come break up with the guy, don't go. You can say,
what do I see for this guy?
What do I see for this guy body?
Then you go the shame.
You call the shame. No, don't call me your ex.
Then you go say, I beg, not mention Uncle Hassan.
No mention. No.
I'm not follow. I date somebody like you.
See me and my bunnies now for pool now. See me and my bunnies now. Jesus. So this one for front now they run. The one for back now a friend when I run later after I run. So I look my face. I be like, oh, come here or no government.
This was when I was in 100 level. 100 level.
But Becca not too bad.
Not too bad.
100 level.
Now even when Becca old self, now when she young, now you be like say you look old. But now she don't take care of herself.
She fine.
More than 10 years ago.
More than 10 years.
No. No, not more than 10 years ago.
You did, but thank God for growth. See my Galato shoe. You don't see me.
That must be
the shoe show for them. See how they bust.
This guy don't fine. Because this guy don't fine.
Jesus!
What is this? No,
Jesus! Even I wasn't the guy who.
No!
Jesus! See nose! Jesus!
You see why not they carry look up?
It be like God forbid. It be like watching they come out from person body when they try to deliver from evil spirit.
They just stop it.
See where go jump out.
Now this picture on Facebook remind you. Jesus! My brother, I give thanksgiving. Jesus!
See the shoe. If you be like Moses shoe, Becca see the shoe.
I did tell you.
Becca see shoe. See the shoe.
Now this shoe, Moses.
I see as you do yourself. See as you do.
I did track and the shoe I use her for almost 6 years. You not give fine. I see that about. Anyway, we'll move to other arrangements, but thank God for life.
So you got one Nigerian man where doctor say, as a woman, say if they don't meet you as a virgin atletico, say you know get business to wear white gown on your wedding day. So the guy named na new _ official.
Not be new people be that.
No. I know is the one.
Okay, no, that one and you at Bofure.
Yeah. This person say a woman who you did not meet and marry as a virgin has no business using a white wedding gown on the wedding day. White signifies purity. A non-virgin has no business to wear wedding gown on that day. It also they talk say your wedding normally no suppose cost more than 20% of your annual income. You say if they make 150k per month, that is 1.8 million naira annually. Your wedding should not cost more than 360k.
You know the truth. You know the truth. Opinion. According to those who speak English, they say opinion is like asshole. Everybody get one.
Yes.
You understand? The truth is, social media don't make everybody if you just stand up, think rubbish for your head, you begin write them. Now you go come open your mouth, decide what you feel, say, oh, everybody knows if you not be virgin, you don't know. First of all, how virginity take help your life?
Is your virgin?
No, but being a virgin is good though. But
nobody disputes that one.
Nobody. What will be the economic
Importance.
impact and importance for your life? You get one question why they always ask. I mean, it's beautiful for girls to say, okay, I'm married as a virgin. It's beautiful. But with my anger with a lot of ladies, now the ladies where they carry their pride as virginity, that virginity as their pride.
They'll come they make, and most time when they do this, they'll come they make those when not be virgin look like say they did less of themselves.
Look,
they be like a better person.
My virginity is my pride. My virginity is my pride. Now, it's beautiful for you to be a virgin. But that virginity will be pride. The day where you can't lose the virginity,
waiting happen.
Waiting go happen. So where waiting go come become your pride as a human being.
After you don't lost her.
My own be say, does this virginity mean say divorce no go
still happen?
Even not be say they not go see you serve you breakfast.
Yes.
So virginity means say if person when virgin finish you come marry. But you see they find something that's why you see carry that yourself go outside.
So I try get into the head of this man when just wake up now 20s like this. Na man abi.
Na man go be now. He say if you don't meet your girl as a virgin, you're not supposed to wear white gown.
He can't calculate how much.
If papa meet him mama as a virgin.
That why
also self not even consign white guy consign ourselves if we know if to say we don't miss our way.
My brother Moko even talk himself.
We go there nothing consign white gown. It's not our culture at all. You get that the traditional marriage what they do now be our normal wedding. You get me now. Over Sabi make us that white man white wedding.
This is the way you talk,
join now. But that's not true now.
We not you not add anything to us. This white wedding are waste of. That's why some people they focus on that tradition.
Once they don't finish.
But even in the Bible, you know they there say
you
must marry white
gown. You see this one I beat up. Take it or leave it. That is the whole truth.
Yes.
Baba, our own wedding may be our traditional.
That is
our indigenous culture.
Yes.
That's our wedding.
Not even the Bible.
Yes.
Not because not the Bible.
All these
white
activities.
Wedding, not the Bible. Now extracurricular activities.
When they worry.
You wait to say no. I must do the 3 weddings. I must do my traditional first. I must do court first, and then my white marriage. If I've not done my white, some people they say, okay, when is how many anniversary? My traditional anniversary
is 4 years. The other one is 3 years. Are you okay?
Are you mad?
So then another problem why they get with things like this now, say there are a lot of gullible human beings. The moment this man, guess what? So people don't agree with this man.
Yes, people don't agree with that.
Guess what? They want shape one to their own life. Don't they look for virgin? So the moment they not coming, they say, okay, see waiting and waiting. You're not supposed to wear white clothes. And now why people say we're not supposed to give people like this attention, importance, because they don't get sense actually to the young wake up one morning.
My problem with people as you take talk gullibility and the way they consume social media content.
Now insecure men they even talk like this.
Yes, men when they insecure and they talk this kind of rubbish. The truth be say, I got to beg you, anything where you hear for social media, check them again.
Even the white people, then when they do white wedding, how many of them be virgin?
How many of them be virgin? You when they talk rubbish,
white people.
They will bring the virgin up, self. Nothing concern the
how many white person they
talk say I'm a virgin?
Go far.
They do. I know men that they run from virgin.
My brother, me I not like virgin. Man, not like.
My brother, the stress not funny.
The stress, Baba.
You go pay you. Sorry. You go buy all your tire. You go buy.
Oh my God!
I rather. Baba, just Baba. See, let me tell you something.
Welcome me home.
The truth is, Baba, I don't get get one girl.
I'm tired.
For university.
I don't stress myself.
I don't get one girl for university that time now. A virgin. My brother, how is it? I don't want to mention his name.
Not mention his name.
I don't want to mention his name. Papa, now.
How many years it take you?
How
many years it take you to read? You even open.
No. So when I want try, the block, so
even you go to people.
My brother,
So
if I don't try like 3 or 4 times, blue balls don't come. They do me. I no come do anything. My brother, one day now he come. Now go now see free entry and free exit. You go. What happen? My brother, auntie don't go use help himself. Now later I come find out what happen. Apparently, I think blessing a candle.
You think?
I candle.
You think?
Why you think? Why you not be say it's another?
Why you say that candle? You
why you go there?
Okay, not true.
It's not true.
If people say, I be mumu.
So the same
another brother say, Papa, give me.
You buy her.
My brother, I buy him.
So why as a man self you want to carry yourself past through all those processes?
All those stress.
Because whoever done this venue go tell you say, bro, you're not funny.
You're not funny.
One attempt not two attempts.
I done this virgin, but you get when I talk at him TikTok that professional this virgin.
Yes.
You don't get one get one this virgin. I did it proper. You understand? I did it proper.
Waiting be proper.
You just
like
you go. No, you know say because she talk say, man, you not do it from front. Say if you do it from front, you go hard.
Okay,
do it from back. So now I say, I don't aware. Now I hear boom.
Wow! I just hearing this one for the first time. Balloon went boom.
So I date this girl.
Okay.
It take me 2 years to take break one.
No, I don't understand.
Okay, first of all, that one because I lack information. Actually, which you
but
just.
If I want the virgin girl now, if I want this virgin
you don't become pro.
I'm a pro.
So that girl.
Baba, if I want this virgin girl now,
almost I get phobia for virgin.
No, I'm not getting phobia.
No, like before, like when I made that.
Now I go. Don't worry.
You are a professional.
I feel they sing jingle bell, jingle or they went pop. It don't enter. They don't know. I see it. My brother, you were not aware of it.
Voila.
The sweet thing.
Why men they fear? The
men
will not
get
it.
I think
sometimes.
I think sometimes. If I talk this to mommy, please.
Don't worry, your mama know you be.
Sometimes
your mama know you be.
Sometimes the size. Sometimes they cut up. I am sorry, mommy.
Maybe Becca own size was not.
I don't know what you are talking about. There's advert break. God bless Africa.
See me see bege. I meet one old chap, skinny like all sugar.